3 platforms move nearly every ESA dollar in America: ClassWallet, Odyssey, and StepUp for students. You don't get to pick one, your state does. But payout speed, fees, and what gets your invoices rejected, that changes completely depending on which rail your state runs. Here's the head-to-head. Start with how the money moves. ClassWallet is parent-directed. Families upload your itemized invoice under one expense category, and direct deposit lands about 1 to 2 weeks after review. Odyssey is a marketplace. Listings are pre-approved. Families buy, and payout fires automatically on net 30 once you confirm fulfillment. StepUp for Students runs both direct pay invoicing and the MyScholarShop marketplace. Approved direct pay invoices typically fund in 5 to 7 business days. Switch to the costs and the traps. ClassWallet deducts roughly 2.5% from every payout, and one unallowable line item rejects the entire order. Odyssey charges no vendor fees, but nothing sells until it clears listing pre-approval. StepUp has no listing fee. Its trap is the reimbursement path, where reviews can run 60 days and restart if anything's missing. Different rails? Same lesson, the paperwork is the payment speed. Know your state's rail, price for its fees, and invoice to its rolls. The full vendor side comparison, fees, payout timing, every state on each platform, is free at GetESAPaid.com. The generator there builds the right invoice for whichever rail pays you, links below.